Do you want to try something which will boost up your gaming experience? In this video, we are going to talk about something which will really blow up your mind. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about a gaming desk made by Korfile. This 55-inch beauty promises not just a workspace, but an experience tailored for gamers like you and me. So, let's start the full desk assembly. As you can see, this is the user manual and this is the assembly diagram. So mainly this will be our blueprint to set up the desk. All the screws and other items are mentioned here. The manual is very user friendly and clear. You can assemble the desk easily by yourself using this user manual. Shelves, cup holders. As you can see, there is a screwdriver and a L key included with the desk. Let's start the assembly. I already organized the screws like type 1, type 2, type 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and type 9. Step 1. Screw in the adjustable fit. These are the fit and the screws. Step 2. Fix the tubes to the frame using the screws separately. Here we need 4 pieces of type 3 screws. Step 3. Fix the board to the frame using screws, and we are going to need 8 pieces of type 7 screws. I have separated those parts for easier assembly. Step 4. Fix the tube to the desktop installation side of the frame using 2 type 5 screws. Step 5. Here we are going to fix 2 types of tubes and frames using 6 screws of type 5. Step 6. We are fixing tubes to the main frame using 3 pieces of type 2 screws. Step 7. Now we are installing the main desktop board to the main frame using type 5 and type 6 screws. Step 8. After that, we are setting the side desktop shelf with type 5 screws. Step 9. Now for the exciting part. We are going to install the power outlet using 2 type 8 screws. Step 10. Let's pair the monitor stand with type 4 screws. Step 11. Now we are going to connect the monitor stand to the desktop using 4 screws. Step 12. Let's finish the assembly by installing the last 2 components, which are the cup holder and the headphone holder using 9 screws. First thing we're going to talk about is the design. It's sleek, modern, with a smooth MDF surface. The frame is made out of steel, so it's quite durable. And talking about the desk, it is built using engineered wood with a carbon fiber finish, which looks marvelous, and it's water resistant. The depth of this desk is 18.9 inch, the width is 55.1 inch, and the height is 34.2 inches. This desk can easily fit a triple monitor setup, a gaming keyboard, mouse, and all other items. And this red and white design will surely attract anyone. But what really makes this desk special are the intricate LED lights. They are not just for show, they create a vibrant gaming atmosphere with customizable colors and brightness settings. You can easily control the RGB with this beautiful remote which comes with the desk. There is a cup holder on the right. Any size of cup can easily fit in it. So in the time of gaming, you don't have to worry about your favorite drink. It always be with you. And a headset holder on the left attached to the desk. Now let's talk about the convenience. This desk comes with a built-in power outlet and USB ports right at your fingertips. So no more crawling under the desk to plug in your devices or worrying about running out of battery middle of your gaming. It's all right here and ready to go. And speaking of the setup, assembly was a piece of cake. The instructions were very clear, which I mentioned earlier, and all the parts fit together perfectly. It took me less than an hour to get everything up and running. Overall, this is more than a desk. It can boost your experience with features and functionalities that won't disappoint. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and gaming content. Until next time, happy gaming.